Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now join the hairs. After that divide the hairs and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it using this bun pins and your hair bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate. After that, we have to tie the ponytail, divide it from the between. Now rotate the hairs. After that, you have to fold it upward and roll it like this and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs like this from the sides, tie it on the back, now rotate it. After that, you have to take the hairs from the one side and fix it on the another side using this hairstyling tool. Now rotate the hairs. After that, we have to make the plaits on one side of the hairs. Now after making the plaits, fold it upward and fix it on the alternative side as we'll be doing in this video. Fix it properly, tie it and then fold it. Fix it using this bun pins and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. You can put some designer clips to look it more beautiful. Next, you have to tie the ponytail and fix this bun foam on the hairs. Now dividing the hair, spread it around the bun and fix it using a rubber band to give it a shape of a bun like this. Now pull out little bit hairs from the sides as we are pulling it out. Now we have to collect all the hairs and then rotate it like this. Fix it on the sides and put these hair clips and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail and divide the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides in the sections and fix it like this one by one. Fix it properly as we are fixing. Tie the hairs very carefully. Take the hairs and join it in the between to make the plaits. Take it till the bottom of the hairs and follow the same steps again and again. Now divide it from the between, fold it upward like this and fix it. Now rotate the hairs and fix it over the bun like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and roll it like this on the sides. Fix it using a rubber band, tie it like this and fix it. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs and make the plaits. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Tie it like this. Make the plaits and tie it from the bottom. Fix the hairs properly. Now, after fixing the hairs, we will fold it and fix it upward to make the bun. Tie it and fold it like this. Roll it upward and fix it using this hair clutch. Fix it like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie a high ponytail, divide the hairs, tie it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix the hairs into each other as we are fixing. Make a bow on the top and fix it using a rubber band. Now remove the hairs from the sides little bit like this, or you can just say spread it little bit using the combs. Now we will tie the hairs again by rotating it like this. Take small section and rotate it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, roll it upward and fix this bun pin. Now roll it down again, tie it from the between using a rubber band. Now fix the bottom part of the hairs inside the bun as shown in the video. Fix it properly. Now again, fix the bun pin to fix the bun like this from the downside and your hairstyle will be ready. You can put some designer clips or the clutch on the downside as shown in the video. Thanks for watching.